Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So this time I would like to introduce you about the annealing simulation of a mouse coffin that was done by us in last year. So I think that will be presented by Helen and me. First, I would like to introduce Helen.
Hello everyone, I'm Helen from CE team.
Thanks, Helen. Actually, he is our expert for non-reactive simulation like engineering plastic and reactive simulation like a PO forming. In our team, I'm the team leader in China responsible for the processing and digitalization simulation. So I'm very glad to have you here to listen to our presentation. And this is our honor to introduce the part for you. Our parts today will be split into four. The first will be introduction about our ultra sim. Second one would be fitting simulation study about the mouse coffin part. And the third one, Helen will introduce how we did the warpage simulation and then following by annealing. The last one will be summary that what we learned until now and the outlook for the coming near futures, what we would like to use these tools for our customers and our projects. About the introduction, I think that you know BASF is a material company. We provide a lot of chemical products to our end customers. But besides that, we also provide a lot of service to them. I think that the UltraSim is technology we can combine with plastic design, material, and processing together. We combine them together to provide a kind of one-stop simulation service. I think the advantage will be that the simulation will provide less prototyping examples. You don't need to always produce examples. I think that our target would be just one prototype can fit your requirement. The second is you can save a lot of development cost and time. I think that with simulation technology, that will be easy to achieve that, but that will be based on that very accurate simulation result. It will take a lot of effort to make everything together. We call it integrative simulation workflow. What is that? We are introducing the second part. Actually, our UltraSim will be split into two pillars. The left side we call material modeling. I think you know we provide a lot of material to our customer. Of course, material is always one of the core things that we would like to simulate and based on.